Hey, are you the one who's losing your money in crypto or forex? Then this video is especially for you. Do you know what that the trading strategy of retail traders or the bank, institution or hedge fund manager is really so different. Most of the time we see that when we open a position, market comes down, it touches our stop loss, and after that it will goes more up as we predicted. And sometimes we open a position, market goes up, touches our TP, and then it will moves more upside. Why this thing is happening and how these things are work, here I'm gonna share two things with you which are very important to listen. The first thing is the trap, and the second is the most important is the liquidity. We have to learn these things if you want to be a successful trader. The first important thing which I shared with you is the trap. This is the thing which is used by the banks, institution, or the hedge funds managers for the retail traders, so they can easily scam the retail traders. And most of the time we just think that the banks, hedge fund managers, or these big whales, they are the one who is always making the money. Maybe they have something good strategy, or they have a good traders who are earning the money. But here the thing is that they put us into the scams, like the scams here, or traps. I mean, here is the indicators which we all retail traders are using. We are using moving averages, we are using RSI, support and resistance, trend line, and there's a lot of other indicators which we as a retail traders we are using. Actually, these are all the traps from the banks or the institution, and most of our retail traders, we are all into these things, and we are not thinking the way, and that's why we are not earning the money as most of the banks or the institution are making the money. And that's why they are so easily manipulate the market. And of course they are also they have all the market data, and they are watching that from where the liquidity is entering into the market, and from where the retail trader is coming into the market, and from that point they can easily manipulate the market, and they can win all their trades. And that's why most of the time all of our trades get takes the stop loss. Here I'm gonna share a chart with you, and I hope so that chart will be really helpful for you to see that how these things are happening with us. This is a price action chart, or I can say this is the trap price action chart. You can see here, this is the resistance zone of the market, and as the market touches this point first time, we can see that there is a high liquidity in the market, and the market goes up and it comes down. As we have also the other second time market touches this point, again third time, and when we the next time after third confirmation, we plan that this is the resistance line. Here's the institution comes into the market, and they took all of our stop loss here, and then the market goes up, and see immediately market comes down, because here they just go the institutions comes just to take our stop loss, and then they goes up, and then here is no liquidity, market comes down. And see here, it makes a trend line, we again enter into here, but here's market again comes down, takes our stop loss. Same scenario here in this trend line, we put our trades here, but here's the market take our stop loss, and then it goes again up. If we see this one again, here it's a breakout, and again the next step it's a breakout, and it's a double top. Here we can see here this is a double top, but as we put the trade, market or institutions again comes here, and they bring the market more upside, and again this time here our stop loss touches. So this just in a single chart, you can see that a lot of time the market institutions came into the market, they take our stop loss, and most of the time retail traders lose their money. If you want to learn these things, or you want to be or you are stuck into these traps and you want to be a successful traders, then you have to follow our channel. Here I'm going to share a lot of videos with you that how you can be a successful traders, and how you can come over these traps. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video.